To support the fast-growing internet industry's move to higher bandwidth, lower energy data centers, SABIC's Specialties business has developed an exciting proprietary thermoplastic, EXTEM resin. Global internet bandwidth has been quickly climbing and grew nearly 30% annually throughout the past 4 years. It is expected to continue to increase at a dramatically rapid pace. Using near-infrared light as a carrier of information straight into the data server's microprocessors holds great promise for achieving the elevated levels of bandwidth and greater energy efficiencies necessary to ensure future data center capabilities. To enable this, complex yet affordable lens arrays are key. The micromolding of thermoplastic is an excellent and highly valuable technique for economically producing these lenses, both very precisely as well as in mass quantities. And now, a new pioneering near-infrared transparent EXTEM resin is released that can survive the assembly process of data servers, which entails solder reflow temperatures of up to 260 degrees Celsius. Thanks to the seamless integration of its innovative EXTEM resin into existing production and assembly line processes, SABIC's Specialties business is helping to solve the global bandwidth and energy challenges of tomorrow, today.